Okay guys, this is Frosty8415 again. Now we're going to reverse the process, try to find some way to hang on to this, and put this new tritium sight in. And it just presses in, just like the other one. The big thing is you got to check it to make sure you're getting it just centered. I'm just a smidge off, so I need to go just a little bit more, as you can see there, a little bit more. The good thing about this sight pusher, if you go too far, you can always come back the other way. That is just a little bit too far, so I've got to come back just a little. To where I'm dead center there. I'll use this as a guide. It gives me a good guide there. Just a little bit more. And that looks pretty dead center. Let me spin this back just a little. I'll also measure it and mark it out. But that looks pretty dead center. The thing is, with this particular sight, it is adjustable. So you've now seen how easy it is to change the sights on a Glock handgun. I did the front sight. This is the rear sight. Sight pushers make it real easy. But that's it, guys. This is Frosty8415. And, oh, by the way, I wanted to say, I did not put Loctite on this little Allen head inside here. The reason being is this. Let me loosen all this up. Slide this slide out of here. The reason being is I can adjust this up and down, and I wanted to make sure I have it dead center, so I want to shoot it. I want to make sure I'm not left or right. If I am left or right, I can then adjust this, and then once I get it finalized, I'll put some Loctite on this bolt and I'll tighten it down. Now I'll just tighten it down snug to where it'll be good to go until I can take it out and shoot it, see how it does. But other than that, you know, they do furnish this with it. This is a little Allen screw that tightens it down. So, this is Frosty8415, guys. I'm out.